Welcome. You are about to be reminded of a very simple concept that can lead to unexpected improvements in the overall quality of your life. That concept, after you understand it, can be used to quickly assess and prioritize any important imbalances or instabilities and then correct them to produce balance and stability. Next, rather than just explain the concept, I'm going to demonstrate it to you so that you can identify it directly for yourself. You'll be able to see or notice what the concept is through a story that I'll share. And through this presentation, you'll be totally clear and confusion will be avoided or even resolved. You're going to be learning with me through this story that I tell, or through this example. Imagine a table. Imagine a table. Now, how many legs are on the table that you are imagining? Relative to each other, how long is each leg? So when I ask you, or most anyone, to imagine a table, I expect you to imagine a table with 4 legs of equal length. Is that what you did? Did you imagine a table with 4 legs and all of them having equal length? We all know that for a table to be useful, it needs to be sturdy and balanced, and all of the legs need to be solid and also properly attached to the top of the table. So if all the legs are properly, solidly attached to the top of the table, and they're all the same length, then we can have a table that's useful, that's sturdy, that's balanced, that's useful. Now, if a table is wobbly and unbalanced, that's not because of the tabletop, that's not because of whatever's on the table. That's something that is an effect, it's the imbalance or wobbliness of a table is entirely correlated to the legs and the length of the legs and even how well the legs are affixed to the table. But in particular, if the legs aren't the same length, there's going to be a wobble in the table. So if there is a wobbly or unbalanced table, we would need to look under the tabletop to see if there's a problem with the legs, to see if they're the same length or what. If we see that the legs of the table are clearly not equal in length, then we know exactly how to fix the table to make it more stable. We need to alter the legs to boost up the ones that are too short or trim off the ones that are too long or all of that. We can improve the table's stability by one very clear, obvious way. That's equalizing the length of the legs. We don't really have any mystery on how to stabilize that table. We need to have all the legs be of equal length. So is that clear so far? Was there anything mysterious about what I said, or was it all totally clear? Was all easy to comprehend? Well, that concept of how a table is only stable when the legs of the table are equally long, that concept's the foundation of shifting from imbalance toward balance, like in our lives in general, of shifting from instability towards stability.